Hi folks, my name is Zach Laveau. I'm CTO of Barracuda Networks. While I'm responsible for our products, I'm also in charge of security analysis and threat response. The purpose of this talk is Security Research Revealed. For the first time, we'll give an in-depth description of many of the tools and techniques we use to identify, prevent, and respond to attacks. While IP reputation, domain reputation, and content scanning are very effective, as you know, the majority of threats come from botnets. We're going to talk about how Barracuda leverages behavioral profiling, as well as our data collection mechanisms, our terabytes of data warehouse, and pattern identification to respond to and detect these attacks. What I'm going to show you now is a high-level view of our real-time system, containing statistical information, data as it's coming in, as well as the ability to drill down into different components, whether that's through IP analysis and trend analysis, or into individual messages and threats that have surfaced to the system as potential attacks. As we drill down into a possible threat, what we end up looking at are three different messages that have three different IP addresses, three different sender domains, as well as three different links. And the content is similar but different enough that you can tell that there's a pattern. However, the traditional identification techniques don't work. If you actually click through on these messages, the landing pages are again very similar, but they're hosted by Microsoft, or actually it's spaces.live.com. Again, a domain with a great reputation. What you see, though, in the end is as the client clicks through, they all end up in the same location. And this is an example of something that would not be detected by traditional means, but behavioral profiling allows us to prevent. What I've shown here is just one example of one technique we use to identify email-based threats. The complete presentation will include a detailed walkthrough of several of our proprietary tools and techniques for identifying email-based spam and viruses, as well as web-based attacks, malware, and other undesired content. Thank you very much.